Amarachi, as you tie this wrapper, Amarachi, as you tie this wrapper, you will not only lose your life, but you will lose those idiots you're carrying in your womb that I'm not even sure they came from my son. No, you want to come and give birth to twins in my house, my son's house, so that you fully occupy everywhere. So my son will stop giving me money completely. By the time you give birth to these twins, my son will stop giving me money completely. But don't worry, as you tie this wrapper, Amarachi, both you and those your unborn twins will be gone. Yes. I will use my money, go to the market and buy a wrapper for you to tie. You're expecting Jesus.